47-year-old Louise Redknapp has worn some chic outfits in her time, but she wasn't banking on one of her favorite key accessories being totally destroyed. Lamenting the loss, she posted a photo of a completely mangled pair of sunglasses to her Instagram stories. Over 731,000 followers were invited to share in her horror wardrobe blunder, which was captioned with the words, "Has anyone ever run over their sunglasses before?" She added sadly that she was feeling gutted over the destroyed eyewear. The wreckage included tiny shards, making it virtually impossible to piece the accessory back together again. However, an ultra-fashionable Louise, who has recently been seen in everything from wet-look leather leggings to stunning YSL skyscraper heels, is unlikely to mourn the loss for too long. She appeared on Lorraine yesterday to kick off January with her special fashion edit, proving that, regardless of the mishap, she is still an inspiration for fellow fashionistas. Pairing dark pink heels and a striped monochrome jumper with jeans and a designer belt, the star was glowing and looking a mere fraction of her actual age. The former girl band singer, now a TV regular, also has a website, Lou Loves, where fans can be influenced by her pick of the hottest fashion items, alongside her picks in food, travel, interiors and music too. Patent faux leather leggings, boyfriend jeans, and tailored trousers paired with chic blazers are among her usual recommendations. However, she is not afraid to show her ultra-casual home life apparel too, posting photos of herself in baggy jumpers while cuddling with her sons, who she shares with ex-husband Jamie Redknapp, and the family's dog. Pursuing her interest in fashion further, Louise has joined the team at Peacocks to put her unique sparkle on this winter's collection. Their website teases, "Working closely with our team, she's cultivated a cool, modern edit with a range of styles and outfits for autumn/winter 2021. Meanwhile, Louise has promised, the pieces in this new edit work for women everywhere, of all ages, sizes and tastes. Her style tips include mixing and matching casual and subtle influences with a tiny touch of high-octane glamour. "Whenever I wear something casual and oversized, I think it's nice to add a little heel with it to make it a bit more versatile," she explained. Louise demonstrated in her Instagram stories yesterday that she can look fabulous even in a baggy shirt and a pair of trainers, leaving viewers of Lorraine praising her for her fashion versatility. However, style is far from her only achievement recently. In a recent post, she voiced the incredible opportunities that her fast-paced life brought her in 2021. She listed the major highlights as, releasing my book You've Got This, working on new music, touring the country with 9 to 5, teaming up with some great brands, TV shows and magazines, and of course spending precious time with my boys. Thank you to everyone that has continued to support me over the last 28 years. Let's make next year a good one. Here's to 2022 and new beginnings.